Ramogi kapod wantiere weche motenore kod tho mar Albert Ojwang kod nonro e tielo machielo. Ogai mar obila Douglas Kanja, Director mar obila mag okwach kich Mohamed Amin kaachiel kod jakom mar IPO ochopo e nyim komiti mar od bura mochung' ne arita ndiko dhogi ewi tho mar Albert Ojwang. E kindeno, jotelo yudore kama tek lero gimomiyo gisebedo ka ginyiso jopiny weche mogajore kaachiel kod pogruok mar saa e andika mar chenro mar ndicho mar Ojwang. Duol mar IPO oyango nitie tudruok mane obedo kind jogo mane oloso chenro mar ketho picha mag wang' dede mano CCTV.
A team was formed on the same day. You went and got a statement from Elliot the same day. You wrote to CAK the same day. They replied the same day, and the following day you're already in Kisii to do the arrest. Yes, can you tell us why? And that's why I think Masara was asking about the timing, because the events and the following being done in the same day is definitely questionable.
In our service standing orders, unlike all other cases, we always emphasize on the need to expedite our investigations. And that is part of our performance contract, that we urge our officers to make sure that all cases reported must, in as much as possible, be expedited. But like I said, we did not accord the matter of DIG Lagat any special preference.
Who reported at some point as per the OB to be the suspect well. Later, that is at 21:32. Then at 1:35, he was now reporting that to be kicking the wall.
Mohammed Hilo Abdullahi again made an entry in the occurrence book. What did he say? Now, duty officer IP Nganga and the cell sentry PC Kimani have visited the cells and found, and I'm reading verbatim.
You have the extract of the OB, the one you are referring to?
Yes, we have.
You can supply the same to us.
Yeah. I'm just reading for purpose of the Hansard.
Okay.
And have found most of them well, apart from the last cell where he found a prisoner, namely Albert Ojwang, who was alone in his cells, making a lot of noise while kicking the cell walls.